When you search for the best glue for glass, everything looks the same. Same claims, same packaging. But to truly find what's effective and reliable, you need to know what really works. Product number 1, Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL. First up is the Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL. At just $8.98, this one caught my eye with its bestseller badge and impressive 4.6-star rating from over 40,000 reviews. If you want precision in your repairs, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product might just be your go-to. The no-run gel formula means it's thick and controlled, so you can apply it exactly where you need it, perfect for vertical applications. And with its impact, tough technology, this glue can withstand some serious stress, making it ideal for glass repairs that need to last. It dries in just about 10 to 45 seconds, which is pretty quick, allowing you to move on to your next project fast. Now, some people mention that it takes a full 24 hours to cure completely. Here's the thing though, while that might seem long, it guarantees a strong bond that's worth the wait. If you're looking for quick fixes on the go, this might not be for you, but if you can plan ahead, it's a solid option. This is perfect for you if you're tackling various repairs around the house, especially on glass. Skip this one if you need an instant hold or if you're in a real rush for a quick fix. Product number 2, Super Glue All-Purpose Liquid. Next up is the Super Glue All-Purpose Liquid from Arca. Priced at $11.99, this adhesive boasts a 4.7-star rating from 10,800 reviews, making it another popular choice. If you need a versatile instant adhesive, you should definitely consider this one. This glue is engineered for high-performance fixes, whether it's for everyday household issues or more intense industrial tasks. With its rapid drying formula, it reaches maximum durability in seconds and dries clear, which is perfect for projects where appearance matters. Plus, the anti-clogging precision tip means you won't have to worry about it drying out on you. Some users have mentioned that it can sometimes bond too quickly, making it tricky for beginners. But honestly, if you're someone who likes to get the job done fast, that speed can actually be a plus. Just be sure to line things up correctly before applying. This is ideal for you if you enjoy crafting and need a reliable adhesive for various materials. Skip this one if you tend to work slowly or if you need more time to adjust your pieces. Product number 3, Glass Super Glue Liquid. The third product is the Glass Super Glue Liquid from L&Q Lash, retailing at $7.99. With a solid 4.6-star rating from around 3,000 reviews, it's a great option specifically for glass repairs. If you want crystal clear bonding, take a closer look at this. This glue is designed to create seamless, invisible bonds perfect for restoring glassware or mirrors. It dries quickly, within 60 to 180 seconds, and fully cures in 24 hours, which is impressive for its performance. It's also waterproof and heat-resistant, so you can use it in various environments without worrying about the bond weakening. However, some users found the precision tip could clog if not used properly, which can be frustrating. But here's the thing, make sure to store it upright, and you should be good to go. The bond strength is professional grade, so it's worth the little extra care. This is perfect for you if you've got a collection of glass items that need some TLC. Skip this if you're looking for a one-size-fits-all solution for all types of materials. Product number 4, Glass Super Glue Clear. Next up is another option from L&Q Lash, the Glass Super Glue Clear, priced at $7.99. It has a 4.6-star rating from 3,000 reviews as well. If you need a reliable adhesive that's almost invisible, this one could be what you're after. What I found impressive is its ability to form a tensile strength of 3,580 psi, which is pretty strong for glass bonding. The quick initial fixation time, between 30 to 90 seconds, means you can start using your items again almost right away. Plus, it's designed to blend perfectly with glass, so your repairs won't stand out. Some customers noted that the glue can dry out quickly if left open. But honestly, just be mindful and keep the cap on when you're not using it, and you'll be fine. That little bit of care will save you from wastage. This is great for anyone who needs quick and effective repairs on glass items. Skip this if you often work with larger or heavier materials that might require stronger adhesives. Product number 5, E6000 Plus Multi-Purpose Clear Glue. Finally, we have the E6000 Plus Multi-Purpose Clear Glue coming in at $9.94. This one maintains a solid 4.6-star rating from 6,000 reviews. If you need a truly versatile adhesive, this could be your best bet. This glue is waterproof and paintable, making it perfect for not just glass, but also fabric, wood, and more. The strong, flexible formula means it can handle a variety of projects, whether you're crafting or doing home repairs. It has a full cure time of about 12 hours, which is pretty decent considering its versatility. However, some users have pointed out that it can take a while to dry completely compared to others. But I'll be real with you. If you're looking for flexibility in your projects, that extra cure time is often worth it, giving you more room to work. This is perfect for you if you're into DIY projects and need an all-in-one adhesive for different materials. Skip this if you only need something strictly for glass repairs. To wrap things up, we've covered Gorilla Super Glue Gel for precision, Arca's all-purpose liquid for versatility, LMQ's Glass Super Glue Liquid for seamless repairs, LMQ's Clear Super Glue for strength, and E6000 Plus for flexibility. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.